clearly see the difference, and we are proud to say that we have completely transformed from just a devices company into an integrated solutions company. And probably this is the first message that I would like you guys to take back when you leave from today's event. That Nokia is now a solutions company, and the living example of that is the Nokia C3 device that I'm going to share in the next couple of minutes. With C3, we have done some remarkable achievements. The idea for this device was to bring down the same high-end user experience to the more affordable segments of our markets, and especially to target the youth segment, because these are those guys who have born and grown in the internet era. And there are some very interesting characteristics about these consumers. The first thing is their appetite or the hunger for information is endless. Second important characteristic, they aspire to stay connected 24/7, right? So these guys are on the internet while hanging out with the friends. They want to be on the internet when having food with the family. While watching TV, they want to be on the internet at the same time. And the third very important characteristic about this consumer segment is that when it comes to spending money, these guys are very smart. Sometimes they are even ready to compromise the brand if something is affordable and meets their requirements. So for us, a company like Nokia, the first or the initial stage when we think about a product is to think about what the consumer needs from the product are. So we understand and we respect these consumer needs. So we were very conscious that the pricing should be as affordable as the pocket allows for these consumers. So, when talking about the internet connected device, it has to be a QWERTY device. As Hasib also talked about this in his presentation, that QWERTY is the fastest growing form factor when it comes to messaging from a mobile phone. So this is a QWERTY device. This is the most affordable QWERTY device in our portfolio. Maybe this is not as attractive as you guys want to hear. Then let me make one more statement. This is 40% less expensive than any other QWERTY device in our portfolio. So just imagine, in just one cycle, we have reduced the cost by 40%. So that's huge. So we are now addressing a bigger chunk of consumers. Secondly, this is the most affordable Wi-Fi enabled device out there in the market. Not just Nokia, but including all the other competition devices which are available. So this is Wi-Fi enabled. Countries like Pakistan, Indonesia, Egypt, Kenya. These are those countries where we have a big segment of youth consumers. They want internet, they want high-speed internet, but they don't have enough money to spend for the internet. So Wi-Fi addresses all those queries, affordable, fast speed. And apart from making it affordable for the masses, we have made a very careful decision that we should not compromise on quality or on user experience. So the evidence is, we have brought the home screen widgets on C3. We launched the home screen widgets. Let me go back in the history. With N97, we launched the home screen widget with our devices. We got a very positive feedback about the home screen widget from our consumers. And we have seen some competition also try to copy one way or another the home screen widget concept that we brought with N97. So we have brought the same home screen widgets on C3. with which, by just looking at the phone in the idle state, you can get to know which of your friend is in town, maybe a particular restaurant they are having dinner at, or maybe the upcoming birthday events for your friends. So that's home screen. And then we have also introduced web runtime applications on this platform. This is for the first time that apart from Java applications, you can also have web runtime applications. This may be technical jargon for many of you, but in simple words, based on web runtime applications, you can have the high-end devices applications converted into an application that can run on the C3 platform. So all your high-end applications can now work seamlessly with the same experience on C3. So this is more about the device as a hardware offering, but the bigger part of the offering is what we bring here. This is how we integrate services from Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Hotmail, Google together as a complete offering from our device. So our mantra in this area is know more, share more, and live more, right? So our consumers can now know more about what's happening in their social networks. They can contribute more to their social networks, and as an impact of that, they can live life even bigger than without C3. So there are three critical areas, or the three service areas that we have highlighted here. The first is the social, right? I have seen these logos on several competition advertisements as well, right? Many of them places Facebook, Twitter, and all the other logos. But if you go and check, those are just the links which gets open in a browser. But our offering is a bit different. We have three different applications for these three different segments. And all these applications are scalable. So what I mean by that is, if I have a social application, currently we have two social networks supported. Facebook, the biggest globally as well as in Pakistan. Twitter, the fastest growing and in global numbers as well as in Pakistan. And in future, if we have more social networks, consumers don't have to change their devices. They don't have to upgrade the applications. The new networks will start appearing on their application home screen. So that's what I mean by scalability. The same concept applies on email. Currently you can see the big names like Hotmail, Yahoo, Gmail, OVMail, and also a local email provider, Cybernet. But let me tell you, these five are not just the entire offering. In email, we have more than 250 different domains active from Pakistan. So that's scalability. And also in the area of chat, currently we have 4 IM communities in our offering. But as and when there are new communities added, it will appear automatically on the consumer devices. And another key differentiator is, this offering is not limited to a particular operator. This offering is not limited to a particular package, which is prepaid or postpaid. Our offering works on all the operators, all 5 operators in Pakistan, all the packages, whether prepaid, postpaid. If you take out your SIM card from your existing phone and put it inside C3, the next minute you are connected with all these communities. So that's the power of our offering. Now what I'll do is, in next couple of slides, You will get a chance to look at the interface of these applications, right? So what I'll be demonstrating now is how you log in to your Facebook account using C3. That's it. So right from your home screen, punch in your email ID and your password. The next minute, you are connected with your Facebook community. The next demo is about how you get the updates right on your home screen. So you can go over to different updates that you are getting on your home screen, and if you want to see it in detail, just click it and it will open up in a full interface of the application. Now these applications are tightly coupled with the other features of the device, right? So right from your Facebook application, you can initiate a call to your friend. You can initiate a call, you can send an SMS, whatever medium you want to use. And also, right from your device, you can click a picture, you can post it directly on your Facebook. So C3 is currently available in Pakistan. We have two colors in which this device is available, grey and hot pink. Third color will be introduced in probably next 2 months, which is sandy gold color. Currently the price of the device is 11,500. We have also partnered with Uphone in Pakistan, and Uphone also shares the same vision that Nokia has for Pakistani youth consumers. And what they have done is they have added a data package at a special price for C3 consumers. And as a standard offering, we have our warranty centers in all major cities across Pakistan. So if you buy the device from the authorized distributors, which are Advanced Telecom, United Mobile, and I2 Pakistan, then you can avail the full 1-year warranty from the Nokia customer care centers. So that's the offering which Uphone has bundled with C3. So roughly the cost of 30 MB of data is 450 rupees, but as a special offer for C3 consumers, it's just 150 rupees. And our estimate is that if the consumer is using email, chat and social networking, 30 MB of data is good enough for it to last for a month. So that's where I'll leave you guys with a video that will show more of the features